everyone, it's Gillian, and in today's video we're going to be doing another adding too much ingredients to slime video, and these are some of my favorite videos to make at the moment because I'm always so excited to see what the final result is going to be. So I think it's time that we just jump into it. The first thing I'm going to be adding way too much of today are beads, and I picked out some super colorful beads because I thought these would look so cool in clear slime. So I started off with some clear slime, and then I took my colorful beads and added about a normal amount and mixed this in. I love how this slime is looking at the moment because it's so colourful from all the different beads poking through the clear slime. Now I'm going to add even more beads and start mixing it in, and at this point it's just turning into a regular crunchy slime. At this point, it was getting a little bit difficult to add the beads into the slime, but I still loved how colourful and pretty it looked. Also, when poking the slime, because there are so many beads in this slime, it was a little bit painful on my fingers just because it was so jam-packed full of beads, but I really loved how crunchy this slime was. And I always find with crunchy slimes that they have the best bubble pops. Up next, we are going to be adding way too much gold leaf to clear slime, and this is something that I have always wanted to try, but I didn't want to waste my gold leaf, but I was just so tempted to see what it was going to look like, so I just said, you know what, let's just do it. So I started off by adding one sheet of gold leaf to clear slime, and if you've never tried this, I would highly recommend it because it is seriously one of the most beautiful slimes you will ever create. I just love the way it looks with all the little gold flakes. Time to add some more gold leaf, so I'm just going to keep mixing in gold leaf until I feel like the slime just can't have any more gold leaf in it. And I love the way a gold leaf looks as it's mixing in, and it also sticks to your fingers and makes your fingers look all gold and sparkly, and it's such a fun ingredient to work with, and I'm definitely going to be using more gold leaf in my slimes in the future because I've become obsessed with it. So this is as much gold leaf as this slime can handle, and as you can see, it's totally lost the amazing effect that it had with just one sheet of gold leaf. I felt like the more I added, the less pretty it became, which made me really sad. It also made the slime less stretchy and more tough, which was a bit annoying, but yeah, now I know what happens when you add too much gold leaf. Now it's time to see what happens when you add too much Model Magic clay to slime. We've already seen what happens when you add too much Daiso clay to slime, and I was excited to see if the outcome would be the same. So I started off by making a glossy slime base, and I made it a really pretty pinky purple color, and I scented it like bananas because I wanted this to be a banana blueberry themed slime, as you will see later on when I add the clay. So I just went ahead and made a basic slime, and it smelled so good, and then I went ahead and activated it and set this aside. Now that the slime is ready, it's time to get the Model Magic ready, and I decided to make some cute little shapes with the Model Magic just so it would be more fun to mix the clay into the slime. So I started off with some blue Model Magic and made some little round balls, and these are going to represent blueberries. And then I had this super cute little banana shaped mold, so I grabbed some yellow Model Magic and made some adorable yellow banana clay shapes, and I was so excited to see what these were going to look like on top of the slime, and they turned out so cute, and I just love them so much. Now for the fun part, it's time to add our clay pieces to the slime, and I love the way this looked. It totally reminded me of banana blueberry yogurt, and it looked so cute, and I am so obsessed with making cute little clay shapes at the moment to mix into slime. It's just so much fun. Now before we mix all these clay pieces into the slime, I would love to know in the comments below what you think is going to be the final color of this slime once I mix in the clay pieces. It turned out a really odd color, so let me know what you think it's going to be. Now it's time to mix in the clay, so I just went ahead and started mixing all the clay bits into my slime. So once all the clay had mixed in, I was not loving the color, so I decided to add some purple food coloring, and I just mixed this in until I got a color that I was happy with. And then it was time to add some more Model Magic clay, so I just started adding more and more Model Magic clay and mixing it in. end result of adding too much model magic to slime is that it made the slime super tough and rubbery, and when I would try to stretch it, it would just rip. It wasn't like a normal butter slime, it wouldn't spread nicely, and it just wasn't that much fun to play with. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button before you leave so you never miss when I upload a new video. Also, if you liked today's video, it would be so cool if you let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up. I love you all so much, and thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!